Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of shoes that I've got on Amazon site. It was Amazon Prime Day and I got the Reebok shoes, sneakers, and I want to unbox. So the first pair I've got is, but I will return some of them because I'm model. I've got also in different color, so I show you. Same model, but Reebok Women's Maxi EX sneaker, but different color. This one, it looks like they are white. Because I don't know, this one I've got in size 10. The other one are slightly too big. So other one I might return and keep these ones. So these ones are the same, but they are in white. So as you can see, same look, just slightly smaller, made from real leather. But that leather is like hard, it's not super soft. So maybe they require some breaking, I'm not sure yet. So they look like this. See? Very nice. They also have that small pieces of material inside. Here we have some dots for the ventilation. On the tongue it says Reebok, and on the back it says Reebok in grey. The other one were in green. So yeah, very cute. I can try them on and see how they look. This is how they look on me. Like here. So it looks like this. Now I get up. So it looks like this. Very nice. But I recommend wearing some socks, because now I have the low socks and this tongue here digging into your leg, and that's why they either need to be break in or some higher socks. This is how I look in mirror.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your is that you should be. There is no one who has a
Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this kind of shoes. Thank you for watching. Bye.